Yeah, what's going on, family? It's your man B Miles coming to you live once again with another video from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. I actually want to come to y'all with another video, man, talking about how Trump administration asked Supreme Court to partly allow birthright citizenship restrictions. The Trump administration is asking the Supreme Court to allow restrictions on birthright citizenship to partly take effect while legal flights play out. In an emergency applications filed at the High Court on Thursday, the administration asked the justices to narrow court orders entered by district judges in Maryland, Massachusetts, and Washington that blocked the order President Donald Trump signed shortly after beginning his second term. The order currently is blocked nationwide. Three federal appeal courts have rejected the administration pleas, including one in Massachusetts on Tuesday. They said the order would deny citizenship to those born after February 19th, whose parents are in the country illegally. It also forbids the U.S. agencies from issuing any document or accepting any state document recognizing citizenship for such children. They've been saying roughly 24 states, as well as several individuals and groups, has sued over the executive order, which says violates the Constitution's 14th Amendment promise of citizenship to anyone born in the United States. The Justice Department argues that individual judges lack the power to give nationwide effect to these rulings. The administration instead wants the justices to allow Trump's plan to go in effect for everyone except for the handful of people in the group that sued, arguing that the states lack the legal right or standard to challenge the executive order. As a fallback, the administration at a minimum to be allowed to make public announcements about how they plan to carry out the policy if it eventually allowed to take effect. Acting Solicitor General Sarah Harris contends in her filing that Trump's order is constitutional because the 14th citizenship clause properly reads, does not extend citizenship universally to everyone born in the United States. They said, but the emergency appeal is not directly focused on the validity of the order. Instead, it raises an issue that had previously drawn criticism from some members of the court, the broad reach of orders issued by individual federal judges. They said in all 5 consecutive justices, a majority of the court have raised concern in the past about nationwide or universal injunctions, but the court has never ruled on the matter. The administration made a similar argument in Trump's first term, including in the Supreme Court fight over his ban to the U.S. from several Muslim majority countries. The court eventually upheld Trump's policy, but did not take up the issue of nationwide injunctions. The problem has only gotten worse. Harris told the court on Thursday. Court issues 15 orders blocking administration actions nationwide in February alone, compared to 14 such orders in the first 3 years of President Joe Biden's term, she wrote. The heightened pace of activity also reflects of how President Trump has quickly moved less than 2 months in office to fire thousands of federal workers, up in tens of billions of dollars in foreign and domestic aid, roll back the rights of transgender people, and restrict birthright citizenship. So pretty much right here, Donald Trump is the Trump administration is asking Supreme Court to partly allow birthright citizenship restrictions. So this right here is a definitely serious matter. So you definitely want to pay attention. But I had to come to y'all with this video, man. Spread thoughts up on this, shed light up on the situation. I felt the need that y'all had to hear this subject. Keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. Always appreciate the love. Don't forget to hit the bell to get all of my notifications. Like, share, and subscribe. And the article will be in the description box. And this your man B Miles coming to you live once again from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.